Today we will study the next four rules of in the front of Ra Sakina. He is a Musta'aliya letter. Kullu fir'in Okay, concentrate the sound of Ra. Miro Tasin. Okay, the sixth one rule is the next three rules of Turkic letters Ra. It's about how to read Ra with a light sound. Okay, when Ra has kasra or double kasra below it, we'll read it with a light sound.
Rijalun waturi.
Flat over here. Re, ra kasra re. Okay, the seventh one rule is when ra sakina has kasra before it. Fir, ra, light over here. Okay. See this one, the last. Okay, it's about when ra sakina is preceded by या साकिना. दैट इज द साइन ऑफ वक्फे ताम. जैसे कुरान यहाँ पे रुकना होता है, जब आप रुकते हैं तो ये साइन किस में चेंज होता हो जाता है? दमा, डबल फता, डबल दमा और स्टैंडिंग फता.
You have to read it bold.
Yes, this one is temporary kasra हो रही है. It's a permanent kasra. It is a natural state. ठीक है? Walaikum salam. Okay, today we will study the next four rules of the Tafhim letters from Shibi Musta'aliya letters.
Next 3 or 4?
Yes, next four. Okay, the fifth one rule is if any one of the Musta'aliya letters comes after Ra Sakina in the same word,
Okay.
it will be pronounced with a thick sound. Okay, you can see here is this one is Ra Sakina, and in the front of Ra Sakina here is a Musta'aliya letter. Kullu fir'in. And this one, and see this one, fir'atin. Yes, here is also Musta'aliya letters after Ra Sakina. Fir'atin. Mirror. Concentrate on the Ra sound. Okay, concentrate on the sound of Ra. Mirror. Sodin. Because Musta'aliya letter is stronger than the kasra. Okay, so Ra kasra Musta'aliya letter को follow करते हुए ये bold read हो रहा है. Okay, mirror sodin. And the next one, fi qirtasin.